So another edition, another unboxing. So Arbonne has actually just released all of their Christmas range and I have a little box here. Now I've actually got two boxes, to be honest. So one's my order and one has all my stock in it. So I'm super excited about what's to come. So one thing I find essential to get me through the busy holiday season is my fizz. We have green apple fizz. So this was released a little while ago and I didn't manage to get my hands on it previously. So I'm super excited to try this. Apparently it is super yummy. So green apple fizz. So probably a little bit sweet and tangy. But just to give you an idea how popular fizz is, they also released a 45th anniversary fizz sample box. So this has 3 different flavors in it, which is already sold out. It sold out like in less than a day, which is just crazy. So if you haven't tried fizz, get your hands on this. I would love to share it with you. So there is passion fruit, green apple and blueberry lemon. So green apple is still available in the I Want It All set. So I'll tell you what's in the I Want It All set now. So fizz for Christmas, get on it, get through the busy holiday season without that coffee crash that you sometimes get. So green apple fizz. In the I Want It All set, we have the new sheet mask, which I was raving about the other week. So I actually absolutely love this. So when you've been running around, might be a little bit stressed, the new sheet mask is amazing. I love these to actually pop in my travel bag. They are absolutely brilliant when you've been on a long haul flight and just need to de-stress, depuff, do all the things for your skin. These are absolutely brilliant. I can't rate these highly enough. And yeah, skincare obviously goes super well. I have Derm Result sample packs and I'd love to share the mask with you in conjunction with the sample packs if you're looking for some skincare to help your skin look great for the festive season. And along the skincare lines, there is also a lip mask. Now, I use this every night. I've had a pack from the old, one of the old Christmas ranges. They have relaunched this with just the lip mask by itself in this gorgeous black and clear packaging, which is just beautiful. So it's this lovely pink lip mask. And I mean, those Laneige sleeping masks or lip masks have been going viral or have gone viral on socials. And this is a little bit of a dupe, I think, of those. So get onto that. Absolutely beautiful. Then following on from that, we also have a rollerball perfume. Now, it's been ages since Arbonne has done perfume. I remember Arbonne doing some perfumes, would have been about 10 years ago now. And this is a little perfume oil. So it's all natural, made from essential oils. And it's a vanilla cashmere scent that they had in some of the skin oil, which I loved last Christmas. So a little rollerball. And super soft, very vanilla-y sort of scent, which is nice. The cashmere is sort of hard to describe, but yeah, gorgeous. And yeah, all natural oil-based perfume. So a little rollerball, perfect for the purse and that kind of thing over the festive season. So that's the fragrance. Then we have a hand cream. Now the hand cream is the matching scent. So it's the Shea Butter hand cream, which I have at home. This is the same scent they did the hand wash and the like in last year. So I've still got the hand cream from last year here actually. Almost full actually. I found that in the cupboard the other day. So Shea Butter hand cream, absolutely gorgeous for keeping your hands nice and soft, particularly when you're washing them a lot or using hand sanitizer. That's brilliant too. What else do we have in our little box of goodies? So I've got 2 of everything in here, so stay tuned. The other one is our lip crayons. So I reviewed these a while back. They released the lip crayons earlier in the year. And these are in 2 new shades, which are a lot darker. Well, they're darker than I expected actually. So there's a browny, sort of a neutral brown sort of tone, which is going to be really sort of nude, I would imagine. And then there is a sort of almost well, a pinky brown, I would call it. So these are both of these are quite nude. Oh, that one's this one is almost red. Someone said to me that it was like a red tone and I didn't really believe them, and it doesn't look red from the packaging, but it actually goes on almost, it's a reddy brown. And then more of a pure brown. So yeah, jump onto those. They're actually, the packagings or the colour on the end of the stick is actually quite deceptive. One's almost a reddy, a slightly browny red, or a slightly natural coloured red, and then a browny sort of tone. And they go on, these last really, really well because they're crayons. I love a crayon. They last a bit longer than a lipstick and a bit more durable in that sense. So yeah, get on to the lip crayons for Christmas lips. Now there is one thing missing from my box which I am super disappointed about, but I will jump on and share all about that when I receive it. It is the eye mask. So they have a little green silicone patch and you pop the serum onto the silicone patch and pop that silicone patch on, and the silicone patch actually holds the serum in place. So I'm super excited to try that because you can actually use it with your normal eye cream. So after this eye serum that it comes with runs out, you can use it with your normal eye cream. So super excited to try the eye masks as well when they arrive, but I am taking pre-orders even for the eye masks. So if there's anything in that box that you love, I would love to share it with you and share how you can get that to use at home. So I would love to share Christmas gifts with you. If you'd like to have a little get together or you're wanting to buy some Christmas gifts in bulk, the pack is also available as a whole pack to clients as well, and you get 40% off as a client. So I'd love to share that with you. Feel free to message me or get in touch, and I would love to share that with you. Looking forward to connecting in the lead up to Christmas.